Yeah, that's a great question because we finally got into a nice groove with Bol, figuring out how to play with him, and then suddenly we lost him. So we knew there was going to be a period of adjustment, but we had a lot of positive things from our loss. I know it was a loss, but we said if we just took care of the ball a little better, we could still have pulled out the win in the last game. So that gave us a lot of energy coming into this game because we knew, even with the adjustments that we had to make, that we were still in that ball game in game four, except for our turnovers. And again, that's a lot of that is because of just getting used to playing with each other, especially with Chris. So hopefully this is the start. We still had a few turnovers to work on, but like Chris said, there's one more game. The job's not over.